As a government, we've been liaising closely with the government of British Columbia, providing supports in any way we can, and we will continue to be there. I'm supposed to be speaking with Premier Horgan a little later this evening to make sure that he knows what our ministers have been saying, which is we are there to help in any way, shape, or form we possibly can.
The Prime Minister trying to provide comfort to BC residents struggling to cope with extreme flooding. Experts believe what's happening on the West Coast is part of a bigger trend.
You can have then heavy precipitation events because the warming of the atmosphere essentially ramps up the energy of these storms so they can be more intense in terms of precipitation and wind.
As parts of BC struggle to stay dry, climatologists are warning all Canadians to expect more extreme weather in the coming years and decades.
We're certainly going to have more hot days. That's the number of hot days. If you think of the number of times you've had temperatures over 30, say in the southern parts of Canada, that's going to more than double.
Floods, fires, tornadoes. Canadians from coast to coast to coast have been experiencing more and more extreme weather. The interior of British Columbia hammered by wildfires and now extreme flooding within a matter of months. Experts say the disasters all have one thing in common: climate change. And international efforts to keep global warming capped at 1.5 degrees Celsius is a distant goal for many parts of Canada.
When we talk about internationally these global targets of 1.5 or 2 degrees C warming, Canada on average, most of Canada is warming about twice as fast. In the Canadian North, Iqaluit and places like that are warming 3 to 4 times as fast.
The extreme weather many parts of Canada has been facing is applying pressure on governments who are increasingly called on to provide relief. McBean says municipalities will have to reconsider where they allow people to live.
There will be the impacts on zoning in the sense that municipalities should not be allowing further development right along the water lines of rivers and lakes.
In Ottawa, Nigel Newlove, City News.